Hello everyone! Happy Valentine's Day or Happy Hearts Day. O sa mga single dyan, don't worry. Kasi tulad namin, instead of celebrating Valentine's Day, here we are sa Southscape Stresi Martires this early morning attending a product knowledge seminar about this newly launched project of PH1 Worldwide Developer. This project is under the construction of Mega Wide. Merong school na malapit dito. Banda ang Lapidario Barangay Hall. Maganda location ng project na to, halos malapit sa lahat ng essentials. And this is like 2 rides lang from PTEX. Magsasakay ka lang ng Indang 13 Martires na bus and then isang tricycle. And from this location, it's like 5 to 7 minutes away lang sa mga government offices like BIR, munisipyo ng 13 Martires, hospitals and schools, mapa-private man or public, meron tayong malapit dito. Alam niyo pang panalong-panalo kung sino man makakuha ng bahay at lupa dito because of these 3 reasons. This is a 34 hectares project guys, pero right now 5 hectares pa lang ang dinidevelop. At napakaswerte ng mga taong o mga homeowners na talagang nagtiwala agad sa PH1 habang pre-selling stage pa lang because they will be able to get a house near the entrance of the subdivision. And our homeowners can choose if they want to have clustered houses or single attached houses. But of course, it will still depend kung pasok sa budget. And of course, gusto din siguraduhin ni PH1 developer na hindi magsisisi ang mga homeowners in getting their property here in Southscape for these reasons as well. At ito pa, na talagang ma-enjoy ng ating mga home buyers.